Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to know if your item has shipped on OfferUp. So if you've purchased an item on OfferUp, the best way to know if your item has shipped on OfferUp is that you'll actually receive an innate phone notification that your item has been shipped. Once the seller actually ships your product via UPS or USPS and it gets scanned, it'll actually go ahead and inform you through the app itself. According to OfferUp, the seller has 5 days to ship after accepting shipping offer or receiving a buy now purchase. To get paid, they must use the prepaid shipping label that OfferUp sends them, and it must be scanned at USPS within 5 days. If you don't get the notification, this is what you should do. Number one is that you should message the seller. So I've personally sold stuff by shipping on OfferUp before, and then actual buyers would actually message me asking if the item has been shipped. It's a pretty straightforward thing. Did you ship the item or did you not ship the item? If they haven't shipped the item yet, you can ask them when it will be shipped so that you will get an idea of when to actually expect the OfferUp notification. And thirdly, OfferUp does send shipping reminders to sellers after 48 hours and then again at 72 hours. If the seller doesn't ship after 5 days, the purchase will actually be canceled and then your money will be returned to you. It's a lot of favorable things actually happening when it comes to buying things on OfferUp. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.